Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get your Binance receive address. First, log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the wallet section, usually found in the top navigation bar or dashboard. From there, you'll need to select the deposit option. This action will take you to the next step where you can choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Next, you'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your crypto, it's crucial to pick the correct network. For example, for UST, you might choose BEP20 or ERC20. Selecting the wrong network could result in lost funds, so double-check this step carefully. Once confirmed, the system will generate your unique receive address. Now, your unique Binance receive address will be clearly displayed on the screen. This address is a long string of characters and numbers. Below the address, you'll usually find a copy button. Click this to accurately copy the address to your clipboard. You can also find a QR code for easy scanning. Always double-check the copied address against the displayed one before sharing it with anyone. Remember these vital tips for a smooth transaction. Always ensure the network you selected on Binance matches the network the sender is using. Only send the specific cryptocurrency you chose to that address. Sending a different coin will result in loss. Also, be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts that Binance may have for certain cryptocurrencies. Following these guidelines will help ensure your funds arrive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.